Want to go swimming with your RONDO 3 audio processor? Here's how to use WaterWear with RONDO 3.
WaterWear is a cover for the RONDO 3 audio processor that provides complete water protection for activities such as swimming. It consists of the main WaterWear cover and a round adhesive strip. To attach WaterWear to your RONDO 3, first make sure your hands are clean and dry. Hold RONDO 3 with the MED-EL logo facing upwards. Insert RONDO 3 into WaterWear by placing the end with the padlock symbol into the side with a rectangular flap. Hold RONDO 3 between two fingers and grab the circular-shaped flap with your other hand. Pull WaterWear over the entire processor. Make sure the cover fits snugly around the processor, without any wrinkles or air bubbles. Place the round adhesive strip over the flat side of the processor, starting at the circular flap. There should be no gaps between the strip and the cover. To remove WaterWear, gently peel off the adhesive strip and discard. Use the circular flap to remove the cover from the processor. Each WaterWear cover can be used up to 3 times, but the adhesive strip needs to be replaced every time. To avoid losing the processor during activities, you can use additional fixation accessories, such as the MED-EL sports headband or a swimming cap.
Now you're ready to enjoy all your favorite water sports with RONDO 3.